After the tragic death of Sushant Singh Rajput, many controversies have been popped up. But one of the important issues जिस पे बहुत लोगों ने ध्यान दिया है and more attention needs to be paid is depression. What are the main causes of depression? आखिर क्यों एक इंसान डिप्रेशन से बाहर नहीं निकल पाता और उसके पास एक ही ऑप्शन बचता है, वो है खुद की जान लेना. Today we will get to know in this video. हमारे बॉडी को लेकर अवेयरनेस हमारे आज की सोसाइटी में बहुत ज्यादा है, बट सैडली इट इज ओनली रिलेटेड टू द फिजिकल अवेयरनेस. फिजिकल अवेयरनेस के लिए देखा जाए तो पीपल टू कीप देमसेल्फ फिट एंड हेल्दी दे ऑफन डू वर्कआउट्स, लैब डाइट्स एंड मॉनिटर एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ. बट लेकिन हमारे मेंटल अवेयरनेस को लेकर काफी कम अवेयरनेस है हमारे सोसाइटी में, बिकॉज इट हैज बीन प्रूव्ड बाय अ स्टडी कि इंडिया एक ऐसा देश है जो डिप्रेशन को ज्यादा सीरियसली नहीं लेता कंपेयर टू द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. According to a survey, it is said that more women in India suffer from depression compared to men, and the percentage has rose to 5.4% of women from the total they suffer from depression, whereas the total percentage of people who suffer from depression is 7.5%. That is 7.5% of the total population they suffer from depression and mental disorder. The most important thing that takes place when a person is in depression is that they start feeling worthless, and also they start having a negative approach towards life. They blame themselves for everything that is happening into their life, and also they eat a lot or they don't eat at all. Even when they are asked to practice their hobbies or like play some sport or something, they don't even take keen interest in that. Almost we can conclude that they lose the whole interest towards life. People must be often wondering what does depression leads to. But if I talk scientifically, the amygdala in the brain, it enlarges. Now this part of the brain, it is connected to the emotional responses of a human body. The best person to talk to is mother, be it in depression or without depression. But a mother is a person who can definitely help you when you share your thoughts with her. Often friends are something which people never trust when it comes to sharing their own thoughts, what they are feeling, why are they feeling depressed, why is this negative approach towards life which they have. But a mother is a person who will listen to you without even speaking a word. So I would like to suggest that whenever you feel something to share, then speak to your mother. And if not, you can approach your other friends or family members or maybe your siblings, because people often would like to attend you and listen to you rather than attending your funeral. There have been many controversies popping up when we talk about depression, but we also need to look at the other perspective. There have been many cases till date, like many suicide cases that have come from the Bollywood industry. Also, there is a lot of pressure to perform. There is this thing in the mind of the Bollywood actors, that is to be in a good image in front of the media and to be in a good image and to be into the news for good. Also, they have to have good friends on screen and also off screen.